All right, welcome back to the crypto realm. So we got layoffs, we got billionaires talking about Bitcoin, and we got the big boys, the main institutions. They're starting to get involved in crypto. So we're going to talk about all of that. First, we're going to talk about the layoffs, then we're going to talk about Mark Cuban. He's not people's favorite in crypto, but at least he's out there talking about Bitcoin. And Fidelity, wow, they just want to keep expanding in crypto. So we're going to talk about that as well. But first, Near. Protocol project Octopus Network lays off 40% of team. Jeez. Octopus joins firms like Coinbase and OpenSea who have all made big cuts to staff members in 2022. Yeah. So we're in the bear market, right? So we just got to get through this, but this is the time to build. And that's what all these people are going to do. They're just going to dig deep and they're going to build. And that's the smartest thing to do. So it's about 12 out of 30 people that are going to be leaving, which is pretty sad, but you got to do what you got to do, right? And the remaining team members, they're going to accept a 20% salary cut. Jeez. And the team token, what do you call that? Incentive program for the team, that's going to be cut, suspended indefinitely. So it's going to be a rough little while. But, and the Octopus founder is also saying, what's his name? Lewis Liu here said that he expects that the crypto winter will last at least another year, perhaps much longer, and the majority of Web3 startups will not survive, which is true. It's going to be rough for NFTs, Web3s, crypto in general for a little bit longer. But if we have people like this that keep talking, he's not everybody's favorite. He's not my favorite. Him and his iron freaking finance, DeFi scam, man. You hate, and he loves Dogecoin, which is another bad thing, but what can you do? But he's talking about Bitcoin here, which is good news. So Mark Cuban doubles down on Bitcoin while dissing gold. The Shark Tank host also said he wants Bitcoin price to fall more so he can buy more. These people are kind of greedy too, right? Billionaire tech entrepreneur Mark Cuban is still bullish on Bitcoin, saying that he wants the price to continue dropping. I want Bitcoin to go down a lot further so I can buy some more, Cuban said in an appearance on comedy Bill Maher's Club Random podcast. The owner of the NBA's Dallas Mavericks said that investing in gold wasn't worth it, adding that he much preferred digital assets, which is a good sign. Cuban, who is worth $6.25 billion, has long praised cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. Wow. It has no use or no name until Musk and this guy mentioned it, and he only mentioned it after Musk. Bunch of dupes. Gold is a store of value, and so is Bitcoin, he said, after Mayer suggested the comparison. If everything went to hell in a handbasket and you had a gold bar, you know what would happen? Someone would beat the F out of you or kill you and take your gold bar. It's useless. The investor added that owning gold today is just owning a digital transaction anyway, so he'd much prefer to invest in Bitcoin. Yeah, because if you're buying gold, you're not buying like vaults of gold to put in your vault, right? You're pretty much somebody else's, like, you have the paper value of it, right? So that's pretty much it. So that's good. Mark Cuban talking about Bitcoin. It's a pretty long show. I think it was like 2 hours they talked, or an hour. I don't know, and it was pretty good. So Bitcoin's getting its name out there to a much wider audience. All right, so Fidelity wants to give investment advice in the metaverse, say trademark filings. New trademark applications suggest the investment giant is ready to step up its game in crypto, eyeing new opportunities in the metaverse. Oh man, Fidelity is like all in. The 4.5 trillion asset, look at that, 4.5 trillion. Dang. The 4.5 trillion asset management firm Fidelity Investments has filed 3 new trademark applications covering a host of Web3 products and services, including an NFT marketplace and a crypto trading platform in the metaverse. Damn, that's all in, people. Filed with the United States Patent and Trademark Office on December 21st under the serial numbers, I can't read all that, respectively. The patent applications are primarily associated with non-fungible tokens (NFTs) featuring textual and visual material, while also providing a variety of services linked to virtual worlds. So this is Fidelity. They're all in on crypto, boy, and they're going to build out big in this bear market. They're going to take over a lot of the market cap. These include an online marketplace for buyers and sellers of digital media, referral services for investment advice and financial planning in the metaverse, virtual real estate investing, and crypto trading and exchange services. This is huge. Notably, the patent applications also target investment services for mutual funds and retirement fund investment services in the metaverse. Holy cow. Fidelity is eyeing educational services that include conducting classes, workshops, seminars, and conferences in the field of investments and in the field of marketing financial services in the metaverse and other virtual worlds. Holy, this is pretty big, man. The Boston-based company has filed its newest patent application less than 2 months after the collapse of crypto exchange FTX and its sister company Alameda Research, which not only saw the prices of major cryptocurrencies plummet, but also shattered faith in the future of the wider crypto industry. We've had these moments before, people. It's just up and downs. With Fidelity recently launching an early access waitlist for Fidelity Crypto, a new product that will let retail investors trade Bitcoin and Ethereum from their phones with zero fees. The firm, however, is sending a positive signal to other players in the sector. Damn right they are. They're saying step up because we're going to take it all over, man. In April this year, Fidelity, which is also America's largest provider of 401k retirement accounts, announced plans for a new product offering companies and their participating employees access to Bitcoin. The move has been heavily criticized by some U.S. lawmakers, with a group of senators, including the longtime crypto critic Elizabeth Warren, last month warning the firm against offering Bitcoin to its customers following the collapse of FTX. Warren's a scam, right? 'Cause she came out on her last campaign talking about she got all her money from grassroots up and no big companies. But what you didn't know was that she actually had extra money from when she even the big boys, the big companies came out and said, well, she came to us for money. We gave her all this money. And then people added it all up and they saw her books and this and that from her campaigns. And she had excess. She had money left over from those big boys giving her money that she said she wasn't going to do because it's immoral and ethically wrong. But she used that money to run her second campaign, which is like, wow, on the note of saying she got all her money from grassroots. So these people are liars. These people are scam artists. These people represent other people that are not me and you. So thank you for watching. This is the Crypto Realm. Fidelity boy, all out. Damn. Play hard, trade smart.